Make the most of M&S British plums while they're in season with my recipe for plum and pistachio pastries.
Start by cutting 4 squares out of an M&S all-butter puff pastry roll. Then pop them onto a lined tray in the freezer. While they're cooling, beat butter and sugar in a bowl until it's pale and creamy. Add half a beaten egg and whisk until smooth. Then add finely ground pistachios and flour and whisk again. Once it's all combined, put your pistachio paste into a piping bag and cool it in the freezer for 5 minutes. In the meantime, halve your M&S tree-ripened plums, remove the pits and slice the halves into thin wedges. Grab your pastry and pistachio paste and pipe it diagonally down each square. Top the paste with a line of plum slices, then brush beaten egg around the border of each square. Pull the left and right corners into the middle, overlapping them slightly, and press to seal them together. Brush with more beaten egg, sprinkle with demerara sugar, then pop them in the freezer to cool the pastry. Put them in the oven and cook until they're golden brown. Then serve with a sprinkle of chopped pistachios and a scoop of M&S West Country pistachio ice cream.
I've got loads more recipes using the produce from the M&S farms I've been visiting, so stay tuned for more tasty ideas.